In today's video, I'll show you how to install Trainer in Far Cry Primal. Check my video description for this Trainer download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select Extract to. Password type Trainer and click on OK. Open the extracted folder and double click on the Trainer exe and select Yes option and wait for 3 seconds and then select Close. And now open the game. Once you are in game, press the Alt tab and open the Trainer. Turn on the cheats you like to use. To show you guys it's working, I'm gonna turn on this ultimated ammo. Once you turn on the cheat, get back to the game. Ultimate ammo. I have 46 arrows left, still 46. It's working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.